is this thing working?
Oh, hi there! Today is the 1st of December and it's a really nice day outside. I've been watching YouTube videos with my wife for quite some time, and I've noticed that all vloggers make Christmas videos, Christmas vlogs, or vlogmas, and I was like, you know, why don't we have that in coding? Why don't coder YouTubers make videos like that? And I was thinking I should do it. I wanted to do YouTube videos for quite some time. About a month ago we went on honeymoon with my wife at Istanbul, and I was like, we need a camera. We can't go there taking pictures on our phones with this shitty quality and upload them on Instagram or Facebook, I don't know. We need a real camera. We went ahead and bought us the Canon EOS M10, which is a quite beautiful camera. It's a mirrorless one. It came with a lens and it was a quite nice bundle. We bought it and we used it on the honeymoon, and it was just sitting there doing nothing, and I thought I should do something with this camera. I should make some videos, and it was around the end of November, about a week ago, and I was like, I should wait till the 1st of December and start making Christmas vlogs. But I will not name them vlogmas, I will name them Codemas, since I'm a front-end developer and I like coding. I'm not a fashion vlogger, I'm not a makeup vlogger, I'm just a coder who likes taking videos. So, well, I'll start with Codemas, and well, I'm Lefteris, I'm living in Drama, Greece. I've been a front-end developer for about 5 years, and as you probably guessed, we will talk about coding and about the front-end landscape on those videos I'll be making. I know there are some other YouTube channels better than me, but you know, I should give it a try. So I hope you all have fun and stick with me. I want to make these videos fun and, you know, be myself, express myself and have a little fun. Expect to see some coding, much coding, on the front end of course, because I have no idea how the backend works. I've never touched that creature, so if you're fun and you like front-end development, stick with me, we'll learn some things here. Subscribe if you might, and don't forget to click on this little bell icon down here. Ding ding! So, see you tomorrow!